Hey guys, Wes here from Insert Frame. Let's take a look at the Paragon template. It's got 10 pages and a CMS. Let's start with the home page. So it's got a desktop, tablet, and a phone breakpoint, and every section has a max width, meaning it's going to look great no matter what you're looking at it on, if it's the widest monitor, the smallest phone, and everything in between. So let's actually preview the page. You've probably noticed that this isn't a regular video player. This uses video frame components, which means that everything about it is customizable. The color, the buttons, a progress bar, and you can even add or take away certain elements like the volume bar. Paragon's super interactive, so it's sure to keep your users engaged the whole time. Let's move on to the resources page. This page uses superfields to power up the CMS with dynamic filters so that your users can find exactly what they want when they want it. Now moving on to the article page, which is a CMS page. Using superfields, users can easily share your article to their socials just by clicking one of these buttons. Now let's check out the careers page where there's a custom form I want to take a look at. Because this form was powered up with Framer forms, visitors can upload files to send to you. In this case, potential new hires can send in their resume directly to you, speeding the process up by cutting out a lot of back and forth. We also know how time-consuming it can be to write legal text such as terms and conditions, so we've provided a great starting point for you. Other pages include a solutions page where you can show what kind of solutions and services you provide, an about page so that visitors can take a peek behind the curtain and see the humans behind the company. This is very important for humanizing your brand, as well as a pricing page, a contact page, and a 404 page. Every page needed to put your company on the map and keep it there for a long time.